Hi everyone, need headlines that grab attention and boost click? Today let me show you how to create a high converting headlines using Anyword in seconds. Let's get started. First, you need to start a new project. Log in anyword.com and here click the plus create content button and describe what you want, like headlines for ads, blogs, or landing pages. Then here write your prompt. Like for this example, write 5 catchy headlines for an eco-friendly water bottle launch and highlight sustainability and modern design. Then here select headlines or related content type. Then after that, you can now click generate and Anyword will give you a multiple headline options. Look at the performance scores and choose the one with the highest engagement potential. And that's it. You've got a high converting headlines ready to use on ads, email, or social post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.